Close my fridge.
But I'm hungry.
Close my damn fridge!
But how do I get to the... Mom?
What?
I'm hungry.
Well, open the fridge and eat. Like, why is he telling me this?
Okay.
Excuse me.
What? You need to get to...
My electricity! Close the fridge! But you just said it!
Close it.
Okay, you know what? I'm done!